Hello, guys. My name is Satinder Punia, and I'm your anchor. And each day you are seeing that my thumbnail as my content is it's upbringing good, and of course, views only when you get a response. Look, guys, I'm just making for this content just to. I just want to be creative and innovative. Look, this is the simple thing. So if you just watch my channel, use my channel, monetize my channel, subscribe my channel, look, it will give me motivated, and also my channel is helping that how you gonna solve your problem, because I really don't think so even your parents will teach you, will tell you this kind of thing. I mean, because they don't even know. I mean, they don't even know. They just know four or five things. So who's gonna tell you? Your teacher gonna tell you. Your teacher won't tell you. Your parents will not tell you. Your friends will tell you only what they know. Look, all your friends doing in a different company job. Some is teacher, some in some kind of company, some kind of profession. All doing some kind of different kind of profession. So they will tell you what they know. Okay, they will tell you what they know. So who's going to solve this problem? So this is, I am just because I'm just loving my work, and I'm just passionate about life. Okay, I'm just passionate about life. Okay, so that's why I'm just making this content process easy. And today's my topic is difference between online classes between offline classes. It's a major difference. Now you can see in 2026, after corona, 2021, 2020, the corona was come, and that after that offline class, I mean, don't know online class well running on. I mean, teacher, school, parents avoiding school, and they just giving you information in online classes, and you can easily see that. Look, guys, first of all, I'm telling you, it's a huge difference between the online classes and offline classes. I'm giving you 10 and 15 best reason why. Offline classes, yes, you can be bored, you don't want to read, you don't want to study, but first of all, you will have a full of environment of kids, your kind of people. Okay, this is the major difference. Look, guys, I I was study in that time also, where I mean school was open, just open. Okay, just open, and we were the first student to get admission. So I am studied that kind. So I know what the kind of environment will make you man. Okay, I mean, if study not making you a man, I mean, if you can't stand up and asking question to your teacher, your elder, older, then what does the difference between study means? I mean, then anyone will manipulate you. Look, I'm giving you a very best example. Just tell me, you if you just do IIT and PMT coaching, if you just do 12th merit, 10th merit, where all there? I'm just asking you very simple question. Where all the student, where you just seeing that he is in merit, she is in merit, he got in IIT and he got in a PMT, he is a, where all are they? All they become doctor, all they become engineer, all they become get a 1 crore, 15 lakh, 10 lakh package, all are they? No. Still they are struggling. Still they are struggling because they know only book thing. They know only book thing. They don't know the reality that is beyond his book. So that's why I'm telling you that offline classes, when you just sit in a row, when you sit in a full of bunch of student classes, that environment will create your aura. Okay, that environment where you just lost your fear, lost your hesitation, and you just find yourself, that environment will make your life truly and happily. Look guys, the most important thing in this life is healthy. Okay, I'm telling you, don't give me that bullshit that yes, look, if you have a money and your body is like a full of poison, then what is the left? What is the left? If your body is working not well, then what you gonna do with that money? So first of all, the most important thing is your health. Okay, then is wealth. Okay, don't think that wealth is the most important. No, first your health. Look, and don't give me that bullshit that in 2026 everyone is sick. Look, in 90s people who were struggling like malaria, TB, dengue. In 2000 people struggling that the chicken pox, Heza. I have seen all kind of disease. Not I was not suffering even normal sick. Okay, normal sick. I really don't want to. I don't have, because I just very health conscious. I'm very health conscious. Yeah, and yes, I do everything. Not everything which I really don't know. I do everything. So first of all, and now then swine flu, bird flu, corona, all these kind. So just this is also the trap that you just think that today is everyone is sick, everyone is going through. No. People who are full of disease, trust me, they are not mentally well. Okay, this is the main problem. They just enjoy to take a medicine, and they just enjoy that someone they are carrying and just tell me, oh, आप कैसे हो? आप बीमार पड़ गए? Oh my God, their sympathy. This is the main problem. I have seen many old men who really want to passionate about sick, just passionate about to sick, because they want to see their children, and their children don't want to see them, because they know very well that old man will make a full trouble them. That's why they don't. I have seen many cases this kind of thing. So don't blame always just the children that that Bhagwan concept, the full family drama film that Amitabh Bachchan, Hema Malini, and all these mother and father and all four child are being rude to him. But they don't see the reality that in tier 1 city how costly to take a child, to take a parents. Show every reality, not just always these all things that because I'm telling you a very simple thing. This will affect you. Half of the people I have seen very well, they just want to seek just because to get the sympathy of society and their neighbors and all these. They just love to. I know it's a very bullshit thing, and I really, but you have to face the reality. You have to face the reality. You have no option. You have to face the reality. So this is all just trap, and so give them out. And also I'm telling you, yes, offline classes is far better than online classes, because offline classes you can't manipulate it to teacher. Okay, in online classes you will pause the button and just everyone know that you are online. No, it won't work like that. It if you really want to build your aura, build your life, just I have to admire you that you should take a offline classes. You will learn a lot of things. Okay, so yes, I am simply can say that my channel is really helping you. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you very much. And if you just tell me in comment section soon, so it will keep me motivated. Thank you very much.